an IFAK and an adventure med kit. So on my left here, I have an IFAK from the U.S. military. And this includes one utility pouch, a tourniquet, an elastic bandage, four sets of gloves, and combat gauze dressing. So in the medical kit on the right, we've got what's pretty much known in the military as a boo-boo kit. It's going to contain items for cuts and scrapes, like bandages, band-aids, butterfly wound closure, antiseptic wipes, alcohol prep pads, splinter, tick removal forceps, and safety pin. Some medication, which isn't in the IFAK at all: aspirin, diphenhydramine, antihistamine, ibuprofen, acetaminophen, insect sting relief wipes, and triple antibiotic. And stop bleeding fast, which I don't know. One trauma pad, one trauma pad, 5x9, two latex-free gloves, wound care burn blister. We're going to have 14 moleskin pre-cut shape one sheet, EMT shears, sterile gauze, more sterile gauze, non-adherent dressings, 2x3, elastic bandage, conforming gauze, and cloth tape. And one thing we don't have in the IFAK is Wilderness Travel Medicine, a comprehensive guide, which is a small book that you could read. So I'm going to go through and give you a rating for the Adventure Medical Kit that actually is a $29.99 price point versus the IFAK, which is about anywhere from $50 to $125 online for a used kit that you might end up having to replace items in, because you can find some of these items at a surplus, at military surplus sites. The IFAK, like I said, is roughly anywhere from $50 to $125 with or without most of the items that are in it. And here's the major difference between the two. The IFAK is more made to just stop bleeding. That's the basic deal. You've got an airway opener, and you've got the ability to stop bleeding with some form of quick clot in it. The Adventure Medical Kit is more for the boo-boos you get, like from hiking 4 miles and having blisters on your feet. So both have a place, and they're both good in their uses. So they're specialized. A $29.99 adventure kit will do you some good on the trail. I know from this past weekend, having blisters on my feet from going out there in new boots and playing around, I can definitely tell you $29.99 is a good deal. And I'll rate it. I'm going to rate this thing 4 out of 5 stars. But here's why. It would be 5 stars if it had a tourniquet in it and real quick clot in it. The one trauma pad that's 5x9 to stop bleeding fast is just a pad. I'm like, does good if that's what you have and you could use it. But that's what I've got. I just wanted to show a side-by-side comparison and show the difference between an IFAK and an Adventure Medical Kit Mountain Series hiker. I would hope that if you guys like my content, you would go through and like and subscribe, maybe tell a friend. Thanks a lot, and stay safe out there.